Jerry wants to purchase a new mirror door. He doesn't know much about doors, but he wants something elegant and durable. He also doesn't know that all doors are not created equal. Most mirror doors are hollow-backed and can't take the punishment of daily use. Introducing CDM. CDM builds a stronger door that's solid-backed, has a lifetime warranty on the hardware, and feels solid to the touch, and is sturdy and dependable unlike the others. CDM doors come in bifold door or sliding door and are the finest and most reliable doors on the market today. CDM has closet doors in many sizes and styles to meet your design needs. We feature mirror doors in both bifold and sliding, and with beveled or plain or framed edge to suit any decor. We also make flush doors in a wide variety of colors. We can also make routed doors to match your existing doors. For further details, visit our website at customdoorandmirror.com or call us at 631-414-7725 or email us at sales@customdoorandmirror.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube for exciting new content and inspirations. Jerry is now really happy after choosing CDM. What are you waiting for? Disclaimer: no imaginary birds were injured during the making of this video.